She's cute, she's bundled up, and she's finally here. Let's see what Snow Miku looks like out of the box. Hi friends, it's Tatiana from the Dolly Insider, and today I'm unboxing someone extra wintry and extra cute. My fourth Nendoroid doll, Snow Miku. I wasn't planning on adding any more Nendo dolls to my collection because space is becoming limited. But when I saw her, I couldn't resist. But before we pop open the box, I'm curious, do you have a favorite version of Miku? Let me know in the comments. Let's take a look at her box. I love her cute poses. They just add to the excitement. Alrighty, it's time to set her free. Carefully, of course. Look at these cute, tiny winter clothes. Let's get her dressed. She's all dressed. Look at that sweet face and those big blue eyes. Seriously, how can anyone resist her? And here she is, ready to show off her wintry look. Now, I want to hear from you. How would you pose Snow Miku? Would she be sipping hot cocoa indoors or playing outside in the snow? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Dolly goodness. We've got more cute unboxings and sewing fun coming soon. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.